In this video, we will discuss the expenses associated when initiating an LLC. Stay tuned to gain insight into the financial preparations that you will require when you start your own LLC. Moreover, for specific inquiries regarding this service or any other business-related inquiries, feel free to contact Zen Business and Inc. File directly. Their links are posted in the description box below. And with that, let's get started. Overview. If you've been contemplating the idea of launching a business or seeking more liability protection for your existing sole proprietorship, you're likely grappling with a slew of questions. You might be pondering the type of business structure that suits you best, whether forming a limited liability company is the right move, how to initiate the LLC formation process, and the financial implication of this endeavor. Small business owners often discover numerous advantages in opting for an LLC structure, ranging from significant tax benefits to a flexible management setup. The precise cost and process for starting an LLC can vary slightly depending on the state where you decide to establish it. In this video, we will outline the average expenses associated with the initiation and maintenance of an LLC in the United States. LLC Startup Cost. To officially establish an LLC, you'll need to navigate the bureaucracy by filing essential paperwork with the Secretary of State. Furthermore, you'll eventually have to apply for an employee identification number from the IRS. While obtaining an EIN is free, if you decide to handle the application yourself, there are specific filing fees associated with the state paperwork. Here's a breakdown of the startup cost. Formation method influences cost. When setting up an LLC, you have three options: do it yourself, utilize an online formation service, or hire an attorney. If you choose the DIY route, your primary expense will be limited to filing fees when submitting documents to the state. If you offer an online formation service, the basic filing fee typically costs you an additional $39 to $79. However, this cost can vary if you wish to upgrade your formation package or have the service act as your LLC's registered agent. In contrast, hiring an attorney could incur a flat fee ranging from $1,000 to $1,500, contingent on the complexity of your business and the state of formation. LLC Name Reservation. Standard cost, one-time fee between $10 and $140. Whether you've already conceived a business name or just beginning to consider one, you can reserve any time before filing to ensure it remains available. The cost and duration of reserving your chosen name differ by state. For instance, Alabama charges $10 for name reservation, whereas Florida doesn't offer such service. Filing fee. Standard cost, one-time fee between $50 and $150. The filing fee encompasses the expense associated with the state's official processing and filing of your LLC application. This application typically includes the LLC organization document, often referred to as Articles of Organization, and sometimes your LLC's operating agreement. The filing fee varies by state, with Kentucky having the lowest cost at $40 and Massachusetts being the most expensive at $500. In most cases, state filing fees fall within $50 to $100 range. Operating agreement. Standard cost, between $0 and $200. An operating agreement is a contractual document that delineates interpersonal aspects of your LLC, specifying the relationships between members and the LLC itself. While only a handful of states mandate filing an operating agreement information, it is considered prudent business practice to have one, even in states that do not require it. You can draft this agreement yourself using readily available templates online, or you can employ an online formation service or an attorney to draft it on your behalf. Registered agent. Standard cost, between $0 and $300. A registered agent is an individual designated by your LLC to accept vital, financial, and legal documents on its behalf. This agent must possess an address within the state where your LLC is formed and be accessible for your service of process by the state. All states mandate that LLCs have an active agent on file with them. You have the option of serving as your LLC's registered agent, which comes at no cost, or hiring a registered agent service or attorney to fulfill this role. Some online formation services offer a complimentary registered agent service for the first year, followed by annual fees ranging from $50 to $300. EIN Application. Standard cost, between $0 and $99. An employer identification number is a unique identifier assigned to companies by the IRS. It is used for federal tax payment purposes. LLCs with multiple members or members are obligated to obtain an EIN. However, even LLCs not required to have one should contemplate obtaining it. You will need an EIN if your LLC intends to hire employees, engage in contracts with vendors, or open business bank accounts. Applying an EIN is free via the IRS's website, but some formation services offer to manage the application process for your LLC, usually for an additional fee. LLC Maintenance Costs. After covering the initial startup expenses, you must stay vigilant regarding ongoing costs such as taxes, annual filings, licensing, and any compliance service provided by an online formation company if you opted for one. Annual Reports. Standard cost between $0 and $800. Most states require LLCs to submit an annual or biennial report to the Secretary of State to keep critical contact and financial information up to date. In states that mandate reports, submission is either free or incurs a processing fee, typically around $50. Some states do not necessitate reports but may require a business tax, often referred to an annual franchise tax in addition to other state taxes. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in substantial late fines or even the dissolution of your LLC, the specifics of which vary by state. Business licensure. Standard cost depend on the state and your business specialty. In most states, a statewide business license is not required to operate an LLC. Nevertheless, most countries stipulate that companies obtain licenses to conduct business within their boundaries. This implies that businesses operating in multiple countries may need licenses for each of them. Additionally, there may be specific categorical licenses you need to obtain to conduct your business, such as a liquor license or a food and beverage license for a bar or restaurant. These costs maintain consistent regardless of your business type, usually amounting to approximately $50, with renewal requirements typically occurring annually or biennially. Taxes. Standard cost depends on the state and your business specialty. LLCs are considered pass-through tax entities, meaning the LLC itself does not pay taxes. Instead, the income and debts of the LLCs are passed through to the members, who then pay the requisite taxes annually to their personal tax returns. Consequently, the taxes your LLC incurs depend on factors like your business's specialization, the presence of your state income tax, and your LLC's annual revenue or losses. Compliance services. Standard cost between $0 and $300. If your LLC selected an online service as its registered agent or for compliance assistance, this constitutes an additional recurring cost. For example, certain companies offer compliance calendar subscriptions that provide reminders for deadlines related to reports and taxes, aiding your LLC in staying organized and compliant. Overall LLC cost. The total cost of forming an LLC hinges on the state where it is established and the extent of professional assistance you engage for the process. If you offer the DIY approach, your expenses will primarily involve filing fees and annual state fees. If you enlist the service of an online formation provider, anticipate the fees associated with the service in addition to the state required costs. If you require assistance with your business requirements, consider reaching out to Zen Business and Incfile. They offer an array of services tailored to businesses like yours. You can access their website by clicking the links in the description box. And there you have it, a brief explanation of what it costs to start your own LLC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.